The Khasi Students' Union Delhi unit has raised concerns over a suspected case of human trafficking involving a young woman from East Jaintia Hills, Meghalaya. In an official statement, the KSU Delhi unit reported that on the 14th of May 2025 at approximately 4 p.m, it received a distress call from a woman who claimed she was being followed and feared for her safety. Responding immediately, members of the union contacted the police and accompanied them to the location. Following a joint inquiry, it was revealed that the woman had allegedly been deceived and brought to Delhi under false pretenses, with indications that she was being coerced into prostitution. Upon reaching the premises where she was believed to have been held, the authorities found that the occupants had fled, apparently after learning of police involvement. The case has since been handed over to the relevant police station for further investigation. The woman has been placed in a secure shelter under the care of the appropriate authorities. Arrangements are currently underway to facilitate her safe return to Meghalaya, pending formal clearance from law enforcement. The Khasi Students' Union Delhi unit has strongly condemned acts of exploitation and violence against women. It has urged upon the general public to remain alert and to report any suspicious activity to the authorities without delay. The union also expressed its appreciation to the Delhi police for their swift cooperation and affirmed its commitment to support efforts in ensuring the safety and protection of individuals from the northeast residing in the capital.
Kong iba batay ladi bade na Than East Jaintia Hills. Di calling i bad i batay ba isuba baka giron kita kibreo na barjela kiba bod din i bad isuba baki kwaban kikwaban show ala ni kikwaban le kanu kam nan pin sawi i tukum tahi wil wod nakaliang jong Khasi Students Union Delhi unit la phone ni pulet jong la phone ni Delhi police badin ka Delhi police la poi ka jaka ko ba idon habang ipoy ito ka jakapan dan nila investigate nila diligently nila ba ito ikong iwan chine bantre hini iwan chine isya bantre kam aulia la ne kam demek te dan nila tip kata ka jimtepat na i ng kapag Delhi police nila pa pili ka jaka tre jui nila yakin kata ka lord building kata ka jaka bay on pini bay sa hindi anda nila po ni ham to imat bakila iwa jengtip bakin wan kipulet nila yatiat eta kiyeng nila yeng ham to combusting ta hindi amdan kipulet ti imat ti gibrew kila yapet bakin dan chong to jaka ti naman bangim lap yano ino kiba ti gibrew kiba peninat i kanila kam ni hab manchu IT no ya ka kes sakmat ka Delhi police but nila haban ya mino atau ka jaka te ya i tu kana nila boy i ha ka we ka safe house but shen hi dala na yo jimbet ni pulit ni sa pai no i shala kashnong mai pen pai stop ni shala kashnong thao ju
komjo le klamri yung radio yo i ko body na ne ki mu yo ya correct ni cha nu te i le kwai yo ya pagi yo pen bagi chenu ke te lai seng la pagi lai kremo pagi kremo te yo thobnya gi yo manusia bagi lawan gi chini than barjala te yo suki ki le yo ti bag chini sesang gi lam cha i chon than gi
te takaweng pasat hi seki ba jugi ba bonsen ni i kani kamdai ka senegong ka ba aja ang hakini ki Alfreinstein ya lap kumba lai sot legi kes te niakli ki balai mo ka dikiawan sane ki wan ban wat kam bantre te kabasosi pat kabalong deki wan sane na kata kadao na jingkeduk kam badon hante po jela jungi te kumtar kumjo ngan ketu ya sakal dakala banle e bakan nyarap tabe iki para samla mo ki jungi ki bawan wakam kanamba kinum poi sakane ka apat makin wan akum kini kilai